Hi, Ivan here. Today we're going to solve picking numbers problem. Given an array of integers, find the longest subarray where the absolute difference between any two elements is less than or equal to 1. Let's see an example here. It is 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, and triple 5. There are two subarrays meeting the criterion. It is double 1, double 2, and double 4 and triple 5. The maximum length subarray has 5 elements here. Maximum length of subarray. Let's see another example here. It is 4, 6, 5, double 3, and 1. The the longest subarray is the length of longest subarray is 3, which is we'll take on 4, 3, and 3. Our key points in here, longest subarray requirements is absolute difference between any two elements is less than or equal to 1. Then our strategy is we will gonna sort the input array. You will gonna make two pointer. This is not literally reference pointer, but for array index store. So it is pointer to any index to the array for determining a subarray. So that is a start pointer and end pointer. For each element between two pointers, find out absolute differences between any two elements. In here, on the range, we will gonna sort the input array and init the longest subarray length max here with 0, array length here and the first subarray value pointer start. The start pointer we will gonna point on the 0 on the first element of the array, and then we will gonna do loop from start plus 1 to end, which is here. N is stored for the end of the subarray. We will iterate it from after start to end, which is the length of the array. In that loop, for each element in subarray, elements between start and end, check if absolute difference between end value and current subarray value is greater than 1. Compare current max with current subarray length current max and set start to end. In here, we will gonna check if is it out of the requirement. We will gonna check if the we will gonna check the current max and we will kind of compare the current max from the current max of uh, the current subarray and the current max itself. And sorry, and we will gonna replace the start with end to check a new uh, start of the new subarray. Out of this, we will also check one subarray again with the last position of start. So we will check the last position of start and the length of the array. Then we will compare the max. Let's take this. First, we will gonna sort the array. We will gonna take a helper here, quick sort here. In here, we will gonna sort. Then we will also make them init the max and the length of it. And then for the start value, start pointer 0. Then we will gonna iterate from n from start plus 1, n is less than n, and we will gonna iterate it here. In here, we will gonna check, gonna take the array from start to end. detect this is the subarray. Then we will gonna check for each element in the subarray. If the element is not meet the requirement of the subarray here, we will gonna uh, break here and take the long subarray, not long, the length of the subarray, and then we will gonna set the start with m here, and we will check. In here, we will need an apps function. We will gonna take from this. We will gonna check if absolute between the considered file gains and is greater than 1. We will get the current max is then. Okay, in here we will take the max comparison. We will also get from here max comparison between max and the current max. Oh, in here we will use pointer, so we will gonna use it here, and we will assign start with n here, and out of this loop we will gonna check the for the last max and start here. Then you're gonna check max, max and last max, and we will gonna return max like this. Let's run the code. Sorry, max. Mm, runtime. Oh, sorry. In here, we are gonna be quick short. We must import the matran and time package. It passed the first test case. It passed all the test case. That's all. If you have any questions or better solutions, write down in the comment section below. Thanks.